welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. Shripad Naik says he will decide about campaigning for the BJP once the final list of candidates is out. Clearly hints at his local aspirations are still not over. Nation celebrates 63rd Republic Day. CM hoists flag in Goa, appeals Goans to contribute in development of the nation to make it superpower nations. Liquor Traders Association receives mixed response. Unhappy to keep the bars closed for 40 days. Association to meet on Friday to decide on next step. Four shops gutted in fire breakout in Palole. Estimated loss was 25 lakh rupees. Cloth and jewelry shops totally destroyed. And as many as 8 teams in 2011-12 I-League title race. India coach Savya Madera and Salgaonkar Sports Club coach Karim Bancharifa acknowledge improvement in Indian football scenario. And now the news in detail. The issue of Shripad Naik's local aspirations is far from getting over. He is still uncertain about campaigning for the BJP. He said that he will decide about his future course of action only after list of candidates is out, making it amply clear that he has still not bowed down on the candidature issue. State BJP President Lakshmikant Parsekar had clarified on Wednesday that Shripad will campaign for the BJP. Shripad Naik seems firm on his stand to return back to the local politics. He is not in a mood to allow anyone to mess with his political career. When questioned on campaigning for the BJP, he said,
श्रीपाद भाऊ पार्टीन पयलीं एकदा डिसिजन तुमकां कळयल्लें आहा तुमी म्हणटा की तुमकां परवरीच्यान टिकेट दिवची ना स्टील तुमी पार्टीच्या फायनल डिसिजनाक रावले
डिसिजन ऑलरेडी जाल्लें आसा तें तुमकां आमी कन्वे केल्लें आसा आतां तें डिसिजन फुडें व्हरपाचें काय परत रिओपन करपाचें तांचें म्हजें डिसिजन सोंपलें म्हणजे हांव डिसिजनाक रावूं ना लक्षात आयलें फक्त हांवें हांचे कडेन मागिल्लें की हांवें गोंयांत रावूंक जायना हें कित्याक लागून रावूंक जायना इतलेंच म्हाका सांगात इतलेंच हांवें मागलां बस आनी काय
तें एक्सप्लेनेशन तुमकां मेळ्ळें
ना अजून मेळूं ना तें हांव कदाचित तांचे कडेन परत एकदां विचारपाची ट्राय करता तेंच फक्त
तुमी तें एक्सप्लेनेशन परत एकदां विचारतले
हय म्हणजे जस्ट म्हाका कारण एक्सप्लेनेशन न्ही एक्सप्लेनेशन म्हणल्यार हांवूच जाता पार्टी सकयल इट्स नॉट एक्सप्लेनेशन कारण म्हाका मातशें कित्याक लागून नाका वाय आय एम डिस्क्वॉलिफायड कित्याक रावूंक शकना तेची कारण एक दिली न्ही तर मनाचें समाधान जातलें बस
न्हयकार दिता आसतना कांयच कारण
ना सांगू ना
आनी दुसरी गजाल जर तुमकां तिकेट दिली ना जाल्यार भाजपाच्या येता ते निवडणुकांनी सक्रीय प्रचारात वांटो घेतले
हय आतां पर्यंत इतले वर्सां मागीर मोर दॅन 30 years हातून भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या कामान जे म्हाजी जबाबदारी म्हजे कडेन दिली ती आमी पुरी केल्ली आसा आनी म्हणून इलेक्शन जें कितें जातलें फुडें इलेक्शन खरो प्रचार इलेक्शनाचो 13 तारखेच्या नंतर जेन्ना कॅन्डिडेट फिक्स जातले वयल्यान ताचें सिलेक्शन जातलें तेन्ना प्रचार सुरू जातलो त्या वेळेचेर तो निर्णय हांव घेतलो
अजून निर्णय घेवंक
ना अजून वेळीच येवं न्ही वेळे पयलीं निर्णय कसो घेवपाचो
सो यू स्टील वेटिंग फॉर परफेक्ट आन्सर
हय 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 शेवटी हें सगळें करतना मनाचें समाधान जावंक जाय न्ही म्हाका दिसता की हे कांयच कारण न दिना म्हजें खंय तरी म्हणजे हांव तृप्त ना तेच्या हातून म्हणजे जें कितें उत्तर नाका म्हणलां तें कारण सांगिल्लें जाल्यार हांव समजून घेतलो आशिल्लो बाबा ह्या कारणाक लागून ह्या पार्टीच्या फायद्याक लागून तुका सांगता फायदो कसो तो म्हाका सांगूंक जाय आशिल्लो इतलोच म्हणजे पक्ष नेतृत्वा कडेन इतलीच अपेक्षा आसा सांगचें तेजें कारण
अशें श्रीपाद नायक जे अजून पक्ष श्रेष्ठी कडल्यान आपल्या परवरीच्यान निवडणूक लडोवपाची उत्तराची वाट पळयता वा ताका न्हयकार दिला तेजें कारण कितें हाची वाट पळयता व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी वांगडा हांव लौकीक शिलकार प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर
It's almost after 20 years that CM of the state has hoisted the Tiranga on the Republic Day. India celebrated 63rd Republic Day on Thursday. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has appealed Goans to contribute to development of the nation to make it one of the superpower nations. CM Digambar Kamath hoisted the national flag on Thursday. he had to hoist the flag in the absence of Goa Governor K. Shankar Narayanan. Speaker Pratap Singh Rane, Transport Minister Sudin Daulikar, Deputy Speaker Movin Gudino, North Goa MP Shripad Naik, Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik and others were present for the celebration.
पवित्र देशा, मंगल देशा, शूरवीरांच्या देशा, कोटी जनांची नामना घेवची, जय जय भारत देशा. भारत भूंयचो एकचार घडपाक ओपू आमचे प्राण, तिरंगी बावट्या हलता दौलता, जनामनाची आशा की भारतीयांनी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवन जर काम करत जाल्यार भारत सुपर पावर जावपापासून कोणूच अडवपाक शकना ही आमकां सगळ्यांक खात्री आसा. हे स्वप्न साकार करपा खातीर आमी गोंयकार सुद्दां हातात हात घालून ह्या देशाच्या उन्नती खातीर वावुरपाक जाय ते आमचे कर्तव्य जावन.
Kamath later took the guard of honor. The function culminated with cultural program by school children. The 63rd Republic Day was celebrated in New Delhi at Rajpath on Thursday. President Pratibha Patil, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, Vice President Hamid Ansari, UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, top political and military brass were present for the function. Thailand Prime Minister Yingluck Shinawatra was the chief guest for the function. The floats depicting culture and traditions of various states attracted the gathered. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. The bandh called by the Liquor Traders Association received a mixed response in the state. Traders are apprehensive about keeping bars closed for 40 days. Liquor traders have scheduled a meet on Friday in Panji to take a final decision on the issue. As a response to the bandh called by the Liquor Traders Association, some bars were closed and a few bars remained open. The Liquor Traders Association, however, had not made the bandh compulsory. Hence, bar owners decided considering their business prospects. The association had called for a bandh on Wednesday evening, following harassment by the excise officials in wake of election code of conduct. But some owners said that such bandhs are affordable to the big wholesalers and unaffordable to the small retailers. President of the association, Datta Prasad Naik, informed that protesting against the harassment was a necessity.
This is not done. So, we are, and another thing we are telling you, this is not a protest or it is not a, we are not trying to prove anything. It is just that to carry on with the trade, we are finding it very difficult. So we have shut down. Major wholesalers in Panjim, Mapsa, Kalangut have shut down today, and we are not forcing anyone to shut down. कोणाक तर दिसता की आपण सारको चलोवंक शकता, he can face the excise, he can face the police and all other departments who are coming in along with the flying squad. ताणे open दवरचें. We are absolutely not forcing anybody.
A meeting is scheduled on Friday with all the bar owners in the state. This meeting will discuss in detail protest action against the excise department. The association has about 150 members. It expects participation of more bar owners for the meet. Our reporter in Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Omkar Falari. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.